Hi, my name's Grace, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add related external links to a page on the Symphony3 WhiteLabel. These are links to web pages outside of your website. To add related external links, go to Content and click Edit on your desired page. Click the Add Paragraph button in the lower left corner and select the Related External Links paragraph type. There are a few options when it comes to adding links in the URL box. You can paste the URL of an external site, for example, a LinkedIn profile, or you can search for a page already on your site, such as your About page. For advanced users, more options are outlined here. You can view your changes before saving using the Preview button at the top right, and always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of how to add related external links to a page. I'll see you in the next video.